Hello, everybody. Happy Mother's Day. I am so glad to be here today. And it started off a little rough, but I think we pulled it back together. But I hope you are having an amazing, amazing Mother's Day and enjoying your whole day, relaxing and doing what you want to do. So, here we are. I do have all these haul. I do have a Mother's Day giveaway. I will put it at the end of the video. So please watch the video all the way through. I have an Ollies haul, Walmart haul, Southern Exposure seed haul, and I'm going to plug in pictures from Ollies of things that I did not buy, but they will be good prepping supplies. So I will start out with the Walmart items. So I did find, I've been catching the home edit line. I did find the laundry edit on sale the next time I went in there. It was regular $25, marked down to $12. This wasn't secret hidden. It actually rang up to $12. However, when you go in Walmart, look for this stuff if you need it. Check the prices. Use your scanner. You just never know when it's going to ring up cheaper. Because they seem to be marking it down at all different times in different stores. And it could be the community based. It could be based on how they're moving or not moving in the store. So check them out every time you go. Stay on the lookout. Be ready. So now I think I'll do my seed haul. So I went to Southern Exposure. And I ordered from them because my friend, my garden mentor, gave me some of the best collard greens I ever had in my life. And they were, she couldn't really relate a full name. She said greasy glaze. And I was like, I'm searching for these. So the best I could do, because they had some, like Southern Exposure had like a Big Daddy, but when I read the description, it's like a mixed green. So I said, no, that wasn't it. And then they had a green glaze. So I'm hoping this is the right one. Fingers crossed, because I want to grow. This is the only collard green I want to grow now. Forget Georgia collards. Forget all that. This is the only collard green I want to grow, period. So I bought the green glaze from Southern Exposure. And we're going to hope this is the right one. But it's the green glaze. And they give you a lot of seeds, mind you. But they do charge for shipping. And they do, so you might want to make sure you got your order all laid out. And sure about what you're going to order, because the shipping is $3. And maybe you and a friend can go in on the seeds and split them or something to save some of the expense. So I also bought little marble peas, which I need to get in the ground this week because it's kind of late for that. And then I bought some sugar and peas. I hope that's really some sugar and peas. So they give you a good amount. And also from the Walmart. So when you're at Walmart, look on the end caps. They have been putting these 50-cent seeds all over the store. I mean, I'm finding them any and everywhere. So you need to really look around the store, because it could be an untouched 50-cent seed display somewhere in that store that can't nobody find. But I found this one, and it was picked over. It wasn't too far from the garden department, but you also need to flip through them because it's stray seeds all over the place. And I found a black tomatillo. Now, I may not eat these, but I thought it was an interesting seed to have. It's a seed that you don't see everywhere. So they're purple tomatillo, sorry. But so they may go in a giveaway. And then I found the Blight garden bean. I have not seen, which I'm sure you could just plant a Blight bean out of your cabinet, maybe get the same results. But for 50 cents, I just bought the seeds. So I found Blight garden beans. And that was the seed haul portion. I'm also going to place a link to Amazon's. Sorry about that. Somebody's in the background talking. I'm also going to place a link to Amazon for a bird feeder. So we need birds in our gardens for pest control. And they will pick up those big old hornworms and cabbage worms and things of that nature that we see, and save our plants for us a little bit. So I am putting an Amazon link down below. The bird feeder is $2.56. It's 50% off on Amazon. So if you got Prime, you know it's free shipping. Get it on over to you. And we have my Ollies haul. Now I'm going into the Ollies haul. And again, I'm going to place pictures of items I did not buy, but will be good prepping supplies. I have the nut and berry suets. This is the cheapest price I've seen them. They're only 97 cents at Ollies. And I bought the feeders for $2.50. So that's a good way to get those in there. And this is the nuts and berries. And, oops, just almost knocked the camera over. And then we got the peanut blend suet feeder. So we got those two. Also, this is why I'm wearing this hat. This hat works. Oh my goodness, it does. And you know, women of a certain age, we getting there where we have it's a little hotter in the garden to us than most others. So this hat works. I promise you, this hat works. It's only $8 at Ollie. And you know what? I bought two. One for somebody I'm giving for Mother's Day. But one is for the giveaway. So I'm doing a giveaway to celebrate my first 100 subscribers. This will be in the giveaway. I'm going to give away a package. You have to be continental US to win. You have to be subscribed to the channel. And you have to place a comment below. I'm going to pick a random comment. Once I have at least 30 comments on this video, don't comment 30 times because you could only comment once. When I have 30, I'm going to pick a random comment. I'm going to reach out to you and please answer within 48 hours with your mailing address and my email thelazykhoagardener@gmail.com. So, and I will reach out to you on YouTube and say, send me an email. So I have one of these hats for the giveaway. I'm going to put some seeds in the giveaway. Most likely these tomatillos, and I'm going to pick some others, or I may even write you back and let you pick the others. So, another garden supply found at the Ollies. This was a better deal than I found in other places. 6 4-foot bamboo stakes. These things last for years. Reuse for 5, 6, 7 years. But 6 of them for $1.99. And it is the better deal. I did the math because I bought 25 of them from Ace. And they were like $11.65 plus tax. So this was the better deal, especially if you don't need a whole lot. But I bought some extras anyway because we could never have too many. Especially when you got 2 gardens, one in 2 places. So some other things I found. Home remedies from a country doctor. Over 1,400 drug-free, country-tested remedies. This book was $5.99. It is so well worth it. Collected from over 250 country doctors, herbalists, nurses, midwives, dentists, and other medical professionals. So, and something I need to look up is ear infections because I keep those. So I will be taking a look at this book, but it's full of knowledge, urinary tract infections, warts, everything. And it's about it's 500 pages of knowledge. You need this in your supplies, your prepping supply. Books will be so necessary if there's no internet to Google this stuff. This is 1980, 1990, 2000 Google book. And then I found this, 99-cent solutions. And we will need to find ways to do, cheap ways to do other things, cheap ways to substitute something we need. Need to clean a cooktop, can't buy ceramic Bright. It's a solution in here. It's cleaning solutions, uses for household odds and ends, bottles, cans, just all kinds of stuff. So 7 non-traditional ways to use Dawn dishwashing liquid, little stuff like that that we may need in the future. So I bought this, and I may even try some things and come back and share them with you later. But it's only $1.99. It's a good something to have in your library. And I found this coconut rice. This is an okay prepping supply, but we may have to eat this on a Meatless Monday. And I actually have their other brand of a vegetable curry that they have that I just wanted to pair this with and see how that works out for a dinner. A quick, easy dinner, weeknight. And we have Evian sparkling water, a 6-pack of Evian sparkling water. It's the Mind Water. It has magnesium, zinc, lime, and ginger mineral enhanced drink. 6 cans for $1.99. This was a good find. So I'm going to give them a try, and I'll give you a follow-up as to how they taste. And then, you may not know, I do sell on eBay. Do have an eBay store. Been doing it for about, I've even sold a car on eBay about 10 years ago. So I do sell things on eBay. I may go around this house, find stuff that I'm not using, and just list it. And if it's selling a high, $20 or more, I'm listing it. So while I'm in Ollies, my son had one of these books. He apparently didn't like it, but I went through his shelf. He didn't want it. And it was another volume of this that I bought from Ollies, and it was $2. So when I see these books, these Trigon books in Ollies, I always look them up. So they were having they had a whole section of books where they were charging $2.99 if you can fill a basket, I guess a hand basket or a bag for $2.99. So these 3 books were $2.99. Regular listed $1.99. I looked them up on eBay. They're selling for up to $27 a piece on eBay. So if you see these and you want to start an eBay store, or you want to give it a try, this might be a good start. And so I can at least, if I want a quick sell these this week, I can make $40 on something I paid $2 for. And this is it's a little change. Every little bit helps in the climate we're in. So that covered my whole trip, because I spent $39 at Ollies, but I get it all back by selling these 3 books on eBay. So just recycling that fake money. So I am gonna, like I say, do a giveaway. You like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. You have to watch it to the end to get all this information, at least to this point. So, and I will do a random pick and reach out to somebody. You got two days to answer. If you don't answer, then I'll go to the next person, and then we can go ahead and ship this out to you. U.S. residents only for shipping purposes. I'm not only going to put this hat in, I'm going to put some seed packets in, and I'm also going to put some more surprise things in. So to the lucky winner, once I choose the winner, I will do a quick video. And once the winner has responded, I will do a quick video and show everything going in the box and ship it out to that winner. So I do thank you so much for watching. I'm celebrating my 100. Now get me up to my 1,000. And I'll keep bringing you this great content. Have a great Mother's Day. Enjoy your Sunday and plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. Bye-bye.